anati fonu pomoji eya de egben keke afọ wona na ado mi agbo kele egben keke afọ tanya ma amakobe wonu adui anyi be echowa anoide enya ike senyala chatu hedego boyo agbugbo ahugo enya ike zukpara ho ma John Mahama akode isi alo akoda ya jikpo pakple zukpara na dan kwekufo adonwu anu na make ha afano esla osu edejesi eve viebe Yomatu radio station alonya jojo for adekode de klemi de tao la gobu maha amakoba amganu to makpovito la asila simakple zoom lion do fa wu achike de povito bo no fa gede la amganu to ma eya klobu buwe adomi agbo I'm happy dara azami agedenya jojo me kobele egben keke a wonu drop ga duito mobile chopen keke jike anya blada fajinu emile penu keke wi adagbe a yo aga no inde enya ike senyala chatu chikata aga hede goba wa ana yo mon popo yo aga gbo ahugo enya ike zukplara hoho John Mahama choda akodanya jikpo pakple zukplara na dan ko nchi kuda akoike wo edava imu anu koba enya jegola imeke afano Jane Mensa amekenye isi alo akodanya jikpolaga edajeshi alo gbebe ma ano nutafe kpoda kavia mahana gbebia bia yewo la ayo katama amakoba senyala chasu edajeshi ebe la egbe hono adida gobe iya kwenye ameka atam ano adakagwa ma ado anya alo bia onchi na ye alabe le nukpola lo ntafe kpola evena aflaga chola John Mahama fanya yoko glo nu yokatanka ijila akoda da plus strong room kata afana Jane Mensa kwenye America ka atamwado ne fanya yokatanchi ayata ahia fafieba wa agada adaka gwa mahana agbabia bie la amakoba ejibe ya ahide adaka gwa makpasesa ya abia nya lo abia gbekure nu yokatanke wo do yokataka wonchi alabe la senyala lo senyala kule NPP nya ha senyala wo adida gwalo wo ado ashejiba mon popo masu asiba wa ahanana fa Jane Mensa akobada adaka gwa manana mako.
This is a witness who in fact has every reason to accept a subpoena and to come and testify in order to vindicate herself and her role. This is a witness who has every reason to do that. Of course, it's her judgment as to what step she takes, but I wish to submit respectfully that this is a witness who has every reason to vindicate her role and her office by coming to testify in these proceedings.
Amanya senyala chatu chikata kwenu poke afeto alobubuto ampao ikenye NPP nya ha senyala ha ihadenya doglo ale.
But my brother is just asking you how that is best in affinity.
No, because my Lord, there's a principle that a request for subpoena cannot be used to disguise an application for discovery. That's the principle of law.
No, come again.
A request for subpoena cannot be used to disguise an application for discovery of documents.
No, but we've gone beyond discovery, and these are earlier interlocutory applications which we disposed of several weeks back.
Our understanding of this process in the circumstances of this trial is that they are seeking by their subpoena to elicit the very information that they failed to elicit in their application for discovery. And I'm saying that the principle is that what you cannot get by discovery, you cannot use a subpoena to get. That is the point. My Lord. And my Lord,
according to you, or according to them, their submission, you gave them the promise that you don't need the discoveries. You don't need the discoveries because you'll be available to testify, and they can ask those questions when you are in the witness box.
My Lord, with all due respect, we never made any promise. We just stated the position of the law that a matter that you may not obtain through discovery, you may elicit through cross-examination. That is all. I'm not saying that we are promised to enter the box, because the time had not arisen for us to adduce
Mr. Otampa, you did not make that promise. Yes, we on record, it is there. But yes, because,
my Lord,
and more so, you are not appearing for the first.
Yes, my Lord, yes, that is true. Yeah. But
is it free legal advice?
No, my Lord,
are you going to be paid?
I'm a party to this case, and as counsel, I have a duty to this court to draw its attention to the correct position of the law. Yes. So it doesn't, I think that it doesn't matter too much that I am not counsel for first respondent. Yes.
Nukwala amanya sanyala ampa ofanya do kuda bloko kuda aleke o ezi afana jen mensaji ba makpomo agade nutafa kwada kama hana egbabia bialu numa kukupliota kemia agade nya jojobubuma emekoba afana esla osu edida goba ama jirudu fa nane ko hada go ike odan kone ba COVID-19 tracker app anya nane ke jirudu mahafa adaka da ata la fa dowamu la fa nya no adaje sheva vie ba nanan fa COVID-19 tracking app ike o hada gwa anya zu koma fi da shara fa da shika wa akpada alokpada jirudu anchi la akpada gojima adira go va vie ba anya na jirudu alo dukoma vi ofa da sha alo pa jiji va vie ba no sha nu kajima yo anana dukona nya alo jirudu na anya nchonchi ala ayata to hamama awe ba dukoma vi ado kodo odo kyoji no sha nu ka ajim kuda COVID-19 dollar nwa o agbrom na yo ayo pa shida yo nchi kayo wa da koyo fa susu akọ hanana fa app ikawo adaje sheba anya app to hereka anaba na adaje shi amayo katanke COVID-19 dollar nkla amayo ka wokashi alo amayo ko kpli na shi alo wonana le meka dollar la amadanchi na maki ha amayo ka watan afufura tafada akpo gbola dollar ma na fa apa aweba nmo katana adogo ayata jirudu mahafa go biara kare na fa app ikawo hada gotaw ka emakoba nanya salapan ku anojia zukula fa kparang to ikenya buto Muhammad Baumia app to hada gola fa ke fa pajinu anama alaba wada je sebanya app to heda ke wako attract COVID-19 dollar la zukoma akpo aha ayo do alo anyaba amayonche dollar kula amayonche umalo ka afano esla osu edanya kataglo egba le meke wo etefan mokpo alo adu ipo kude do fa ikobo yo acho ne be wa anya judonola alo Minister of Communication and Digital Ministry yenya nana fanya ke wo eda dogu egba kude aleke wo akobia egbe anchi.
Thank you. Mr. Chairman, my last question is on COVID. We all recall that at the beginning of the COVID pandemic, your ministry launched an app which the BBC described as transfer event. Now, will you be able to furnish us with the cost of the app, the cost involved in the launch, and also whether the app has indeed lived up to what we expected it to do in terms of helping trace contacts within the COVID pandemic? And how successful it has been. What will you say are the achievements? What will you say are the app's achievements so far, and whether you are able to tell us the cost of the app, the launch, and whether it's been able to actually live to what the expectation, the COVID tracing, contact tracing app that was launched at the beginning of the COVID pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you very much. In many parts of the world, at the onset of the pandemic, they tried to use technology to assist them in contact tracing and for people to self-report and to give an overview on what was happening in the various countries to enable the health authorities get a handle on it. We also had a lot of conversations around this, and certain public-spirited individuals offered all manner, just as people were offering PPEs and monies in the fight against COVID. Some companies working in the sector also offered to put their expertise at the disposal of the government, and we gladly accepted it. And so, I have said so several times, the COVID app didn't cost the Exchequer, the Consolidated Fund, the government of Ghana, a pesewa. We didn't pay anything for the COVID app. It was a contribution that one of the companies working in the sector decided to make to assist our efforts in the fight against the pandemic. So far, I haven't received any invoice from anyone for payment for this app. So I hope this settles the matter of the cost of the app and its launch and related expenses attached to its use once and for all. Secondly, what benefits have we derived from it? We've put in place the infrastructure that the Ghana Health Service can use to assist in contact tracing. Now, we all know that it is spread through contact with infected persons. So if we're able to detect early enough that there's a cluster of cases in a certain area, it can even lead to localized lockdowns so that they can be treated and dealt with. And that was the intention with which we took up the offer to set up and implement this app, working in consultation with the Ghana Health Service. Now, it's built on voluntarily uploading or downloading the app and inputting your information on it. It is not mandatory. So whether it will be effective or not depends on how Ghanaians utilize it. The noise generated by its launch and the way we demonized it led to a low uptake of the app, and so we're where we are. Despite the fact that the infrastructure exists, it is available.
Here they normally use the word the noise generated.
Okay, let me rephrase.
The noise generated.
The controversy generated by discussions around the cost of the app and whether it was useful or not, or all of that led to, sometimes we demonize very good projects, knowingly or unknowingly, and it affects public perception and usage, and ultimately we all suffer from it. What I can say is that the architecture, the infrastructure still exists. With this second wave, I think it would be useful if we revisited the usage of this app. We're going to have further discussions with the Ghana Health Service to see how they can also incorporate that into their terms. In Korea, it is mandatory to download the app for everyone who enters the country. And I know because my daughter, my niece, just went there, and she just sent me a short brief about what she went through. At the airport, every arriving passenger is asked to submit their test results, which we do here too, and then they go to a table where they are asked, or they're checked to see whether they have downloaded and set up a self-quarantine safety protection app. And they show them how to use the app to input their temperature twice daily, input their test results when they have it, input their contact information so that they can be reached, give the details of another person in the country who can be reached even at 5 a.m.
Manyanu Bodakata, the Clamina Darakata, Kabumwa, Opa, Dodo, Jimaway, at the Jeshibel, and Yajo Dola, Alonia Door for Doduma, Amakoba, Dodo, plus Sada Luka was on Adaji, Alabanya Door for Yokawo at Tuvaya, Amakoba, Opa Agbala Yoko, Hafidoma, Balaoku Ikoma, Adolio, or at the Jeshibel, or a Nana Nyao Chan or Yadiba, Amayoka Tanka for Agbala Okua. Wa adoli hafi ai doji gaka nana panye do kwa ome adoli agbala o dasu sumatai ameyo ka kpona nye do ko pasa ojia abatu nana pa nye jojo do ko bo mo kuma aga wo do ala bo fa agbala oku efele unchita o matan awodo susumata wo atu nye jojo do ko ya odo ka bu nwa manya da klemide de alona na ketai wo atu nana pa do ko ya o ka agbanya ai make wo atu nye jojo do ko adola du koma la fa ivaima alaba amado ponu ba anya do ko yo ka pona nto jina ha da wonchi nwata wo atu wodo ike mala atapo e wo daje shebe manya na mata ka bu nwa nutafa wo saji wo wata eta wo atu na panya jojo do ko da eta nya yo ka bu amola manya na ma ulenye ma.
The enforcement action started in 2017.
The closures, I'm talking about the closures.
The enforcement action started in 2017.
But the closures were in 2019.
Not that I'm aware. I'm saying the exercise started in 2017. That's the report that I have.
Was there any radio station or stations closed prior to 2019?
Even outside this exercise, those stations that require to be closed down by the NCA, I believe, are closed down. So it's possible that some were closed down in 2019. I wouldn't know.
When the closure came, did you hear the public outcry about this radio station has been closed down and all the noise? You heard it?
I came to this house to report on it. Yes, I heard it.
And did you try to get NCA to tell you how they went about it?
I get regular reports from the NCA on this matter, since it's a matter of great public concern.
Did you find out from NCA whether they were taking the yearly regulatory fee from these radio stations without reminding them to get the authorization renewed?
The question again, please.
NCA was taking regulatory fee, yearly regulatory fees from these radio stations.
I don't know.
But you are the minister, you bring their fees and charges.
I don't get involved in the day-to-day activities of the agencies under my ministry. That's not my mandate. I supervise them on the policy. The board is responsible for their operations and management, the day-to-day operations and management, not the minister.
Okay, so you couldn't have known or asked them whether they've been taking the yearly fees from the radio stations? I didn't hear the answer. I didn't hear your answer.
What was the question?
That you didn't bother to find out from them whether they were taking the yearly fees from these radio stations.
I would assume that they would do their work according to law. And until there's an issue raised, there would have been no need for me to make any such inquiries.
Have you found out whether there have been any reminders to the radio stations about the renewal of their authorization by NCA?
The report that they submitted tells me that there is now improved regulatory compliance. They now have more visibility on who is due for what because of the exercise that they undertook. So it has improved their own regulatory oversight of the sector.
NDC senyala yo ke eno se opa ma fa iva imala imeke wodu obe opa susu ajola tamana ete onu agbade oda aduna na fa NDC senyala ola imeke wo adogole se opa ma imeke duklola avanu popacho afa doyoko wonchi alo State of the Nations address na fa la fa iva papa jinu avama alaba NDC senyala yo kala se opa ma wo acho dogola homa alaba afa no esla osu ezuoba o chilo pa so gwa lo jolo pa so gwa sumata e o mata no duklola domalo o no sa fa ma duklola afonu alo gbronya eke gblope ova oda la mama agba ike wo no numa toto won ple alo no dodo pa wo mne ha na afa do fu ahoho a amakoba sa fa ma no la na ton of ton nuto ikenya afato samo okujeto ablako eduida gbaba anya ike ogbolo ova ya aduyo alaba avayo alagbegbe la hamama adaje sheba yada kuku atawa akwe akaye alaba nana fanu ko wo e kpotaje sheba manya zuklola roglo nya de keke wo savava ite wo dugola homado alaba yemanya susuka tewo adugola se opa meke o manonyi ado to zuklola fanya ike gbofo ova na mate ye gblonya maba wodolo fo susuma data nenya ba o savava chone na fanya nchia ka wakwe akaye ya fanu kola mi ahodo mo chuchu viara na mi ba nya jojo bubulo klalo mi ahavinami mi aidenya Georgia emekoba amuganu to makofitola silasi makla zoom lion awu achikede kofito no pegedela amuganu to ama le apato ekenya prince dogbache amenya nyamdala na kofitola amuganu to afanya no a adaje shebe wo achike ya oda kofito peta no for African police headquarters kofito for doyo for African police clinic Baras plata for bugadawo ayo daje sheba ayanya kwadang to heade ke yo wo plus suba do for bugadawa na wo akwe wanya kwadang no bo ha watam awu achika do fa do for akoko ala avu COVID-19 dollar for kakai aga eji global Bovito for do for anya do to heade la dukoma ayata wo achike awum adoje wo kodun sa amayo katanke o mo omre saji obo watam awode aji eji ha adonsa lokun na jiloba wa ajegbagbada shiade aleba na ovio na makenya nu fiala oklodo ofa vovovo ba watam aklonu da vio ba watam awada COVID-19 saklodo doji ashia ya sare share ke woda wa anoji won plus suba dolela maga akaka aide eji na ma alaba Bovitonya amado ke elena akpa viada la COVID-19 dolela ma fa wona o ma oklonu dukoba wa awada saji ashia plus suba Bovito maga leolo alo maga aho aide esagbo ke afata Solomon denyo amekenye domagana zoom lion do pala amuganu to ma daje sheba le amuganu to mawo awu achikere kpovito no fa bala fara kabla adavo avane ne makele otinu to ma ha owu achikere tafa alo kpovito no fa bla atovo eto yo achike ya okatanda alebe ayo kata enya nu feme to hiade alo kpodon to hiade ke edifia ba le kpovito no fa keke ha owu achike di ba kpovito maga hodo ne makenya amoyo ka wole de kpovito no fa ha o maga hodo ne make kpovito ha o maga hodo akoya fama na opopumoto ha na aho susu ya ta yo je gbagba wu achikere ne na fa tafa yo kata ala ba kpovito nya amato hiade ko o kpona gumo alo ha na nchi fafa kple de dienono le dukoma kovena dukoma vio ayata hia ba vie ba wa alaba na ba o ka asia ya wa anu jajeda lo de jede lo fa do ma le susu ya ta yo achike ya kata ba no ako anu de jide eshe ibadolele ya maga alawu kele nya jajabu ma amakoba dukula ho John Mahama yide afa bodyguard alo America Jonanchi pa pumato egbava afa kpelo amakoba afato Muhammad goka ikenya dukula Mahama fa kwenem to alo America Jonanchi atroma gbele mamnida fajinia mi le pon kekewi eton agbava yi alabe anya professor ga adena dukula ho akele egbefanu keke ajia aida kuma gbo ava fa pele ha dogbeno fa kona wala gwado ma ba aleke wojwa wa akpo afo ike wa adeda ngoda alaba legban keke ajia eno afima odaje sheba afato Muhammad anya dukpala ho John Mahama fa njola ike anya njola ga odomotore keke fisha fiko ina to fa gada ike ina ya jona angle te fa ma ha fi jogbe feto ova atroma gbe Kenya fa basa sagande egede dukpala ho akpele amenu gba pumoto fa ajima ike wo anoni egba ha fa akpele wononu kamia academia fa gbata jojo alo Africa jojo ma amakoba akho adamule Egypt pe to hoju ike o edan kone be keruma alaba awu ama eton ike onya fumoto dede lenyanu awo edaje sheba o ala ama eton ewu fo magba wo epo Daviswe adeke hobi vavie ntole egli gbagba ma alaba wo ko ide do yo fa ike terene na fa tefama o deje sheba yo makponu ike tutu aweba ahomu hadeke wo ga kala nyanu a wo edeje sheba lene na fa zugauma amakoba amayo ka kpona gbedede alo monana amu alo nana gbale amu hafi wotu na ho o gaji vivivo alo do fa gaji vivivo ta nanya ba amayo ka fa hotuga alo bo yo tu ho yo yido gbobo wana yo monu popo alo na yo payment na yo ava tu ho nanya ba wona gaga ko wo de na mona bo no tu ho alo no wonu ike eje oshin alabe afi yo ka majebo wa atu ho da kple tafado yo ka ojebe ahodo ma no ha amamo da na shonchi wotu na na kwa homo da fi maike enya na na ike ma da na jifu alo eje na ajikro da mi yo kata we be ahoyo fa mumule dukoma mo alaba homa la tafamiare ko alaba da ha mahia bo watu da tafada walo ho fa achiaro le ma jebo watu ga ka wotu da tafado ayawi ba hoyo kata ova mumu fifia alaba jirudu eda wana tohe ada to maba wa ako ala amayo katanke tu khore te fa maje o nene makenya amayo katanke wo ahafa ado yoke wo wonu yoke maje bo wo le on to palolon wo ma jiridu edeje shebe wala amama wa adade o ga khoma ede wo ho ga lo shi edo ha o gba o fa ho ba na du koma na fa lo te fa ike maje bo ho na no kwa ne ba ho lia wa agba nene mko katan Emigara South Africa dukoma amakobele egben keke aja South Africa duko abusukun be review ha oga atro aida sukuama odaje sheba COVID-19 dolela ajididi viele dukoma ayata jiridu na bowo abusukun be sukuvio oga atro aida suku alabeto gba sukuvio oga atro aida suku ha odaje sheba COVID-19 asayo katanke wodia wala aji wom asiayi hafina agara sukukpo aja na yaba jila alo de vie ha ajebo wa akpogbo ba nushanu ko gbo na wo anwachin chovola ngwachin ni alaba akro ashi alo ako ashi kromi kenya sanitizer ashishira ashi Club Bokata Hafiwa Adamoni wa Agada Sukukwaji, Alaba Wada Jeshebo, Wopo Bodaha, Alaba Fifa Amoli Kenatam Ato Agada South Africa to come aboard Kawada Jeshi Hamajilaga, the Pojijoda, Aleko Vioga Troida Sukula, a Macono Homa Jumbo Magbeta, Oda Jesheba. You know for one banner, you have your trader Sukua, and you have a scenario, Alaba. You manya like no fellow color will leg on with the Zidana Yoga, and we cut up a yoke egba. I like a new fellow call Balam now, Bawa, a surgic blood, do Katangia, and then I make a dojanayo, Alabaka Karaji Gana do Pajima by your view on a bowl of Sukua, one of the Zidana yo, Ayata Ajijoyoba, Jidu Tampo Sukumba, Onaba Suku Yoga trader Sukuba, what Avas Rockbanner, Avasunugaga, and Nayola at Chome. No pala view, yenye egbenkeka for one yoke, a domiagbo, when ye jejom happy, Dara, examine your namiakatan.